Today we are going to Lank Voku trip. Just behind me is Sir Chandra and Sir Albert. A bit close, a bit close. Say hi. Yes, I said. And here is Sweetie. Kawai Song and me. Hello. Hopefully after just a couple of years this will be Pakka because it connects with Dilai near to Dimapur. So this is on the way. And here are the tips we brought. Finally, hello, this is me. I see my hair. It's very dry. Did not put oil, did not apply oil. And then those are my colleague. We just trying to make to enjoy the Lank Voku Waterfall. So see you. Now we are reaching the place where we are supposed to be. So this is Lank Voku. No way, no way. Yeah, this is a very good place. Now we are jumping stone to stone. Here is a small board. We could see what they are written down. We don't know. Let's see. Way to Lank Voku Waterfall. Very nice place to visit. If you visit KARBI ANGLONG, please do come and visit this waterfall, Lank Voku. Today we went to Lank Voku, KARBI ANGLONG. This is in Manja area. We enjoyed. This is Lank Voku Waterfall. This is Sir Chandra. Woohoo! That is our show. Carl Bird. Look at this side. Yeah, we Lank Voku Waterfall. I enjoyed today.